Hey guys, welcome back. This is Abhishek, and in this particular video, we will be discussing about how to remove stop words. And this is next video in our NLP playlist. Let's get started. So first thing first, what is stop words? So we have to understand what is stop words. So if you look at this output, so all these words right here are stop words. So why we remove stop words? Because in our NLP task, whenever we do perform NLP task, these words are not very significant in our feature generation, and if we pass these words in our model, then our model will be get overfitted and we will not get correctly predicted class, and that's why we remove stop words. And again, think that these words have no any much significance, so that's why we remove it. Okay, for example, I have created a list consist of 3 sentences. So in this first sentence you will be able to see that this is me is stop words, all these are stop words, this is again stop words, and here hey man is stop words, and is stop words. So and notice that in stop words every stop words are under case, they are not uppercase, they are in lower case. Okay, so if I just count that how many stop words are there in English, so in NLTK we have 179 stop words, and if I move to some advanced library like word cloud, they are also give you stop words. So I count there we have 192 stop words in word cloud library. So if I just see those stop words, you will be able to see that all are lowercase stop words. So okay, okay, so let's move how to remove those stop words. So for that I will be removing all these because this looks very messy. Okay, for example, I have taken this list consists of 3 sentences, and you will be able to see that who are stop words and why are not they are significant in our model prediction. Okay, for that I am using stop words from NLTK, and stop is here a list. If I see this is a list of all stop words. Okay, so and here sample txt is a list. Okay, so for that removing stop words, what we will do, we will first convert our list into a series or data frame. For in order to do that, I'm using pd dot series, and then I'm passing sample text. So this will be our series, and notice whenever you print your series, there will be some white space in in beginning. So just don't be confused, these are not these are not white space. Every sentence are just aligned, and that's why it looks like white space, but they are not white space. Okay, so it's sometimes it is quite confusing, so just keep in mind that these are not white space. Okay, so so first thing first, what we do, we will convert our list into series, and then we use apply method. So what apply method does, okay, what apply method does, if we create a function and we call that function by using apply method, so in the series or in the data frame or in the list, apply method will pass our sentence one by one. Okay, this will pass row one by one. First it will pass this sentence, and then this sentence, and third time it will pass this sentence. So apply method pass our row one by one, so that's why we use apply method. Okay, and in order to use apply method, we have to convert our list into data frame or our series. And then what we will do, I'm first in this first method I will be using lambda function. So lambda x, okay, lambda x, and then what I will do, x is this sentence. Okay, just keep in mind that for now x is this sentence for first iteration, and then what I will do, I will split that x okay. And then x dot split, and then I'm creating a list x for x in x dot list, and I'm also giving a condition if x dot lower not in stop, okay. And here I'm taking a parenthesis. Hmm, okay. And if you see here, this will be a list where x dot lower not in stop words, and then I will join this by using join method with a space join. And now run this. Now you will be able to see that all our is and all those our stop words have gone. And suppose if I want all these words in lowercase, then what we will do, lower, we will pass lower. So this is our first method. And in the second method, what I have done, I have just changed our lambda function into a real function. So I'm using def remove stop words, and then I'm using NLTK stop words, and then the same thing, same story again. I will split the sentence, because apply method will pass sentence one by one. So first I will split that sentence, and then I will check the condition if they are in our stop words, and then I will be joining that. So to apply this function, I will convert into series, our list into series, and then I will apply remove stop words. So this is the way how we deal with stop words. And thank you. In next video we'll be discussing more about text processing. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are learner for NLP task, machine learning, and all these things, so please subscribe our channel, because we upload videos related to all these topics. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.